Good morning to all. Let us start the chapter Application of Calculus in Commerce and Economics, that is section C for class 12 ISC board, section C part Application of Calculus in Commerce and Economics. First we see the exercise number 1.1. What is given here? Exercise 1.1. For manufacturing a certain item, the fixed cost is 6,500. Total fixed cost will be 6,500 and the cost of producing each unit is 12.50. There are three parts there. What is the cost function? Draw a graph clearly indicating total cost, total fixed cost, total variable cost. What is the total cost of producing 75 items and what is the average cost of producing 400 items? Just see one by one. So, exercise 1.1 number 1. So first of all you see total fixed cost equal to how much? Rupees 6,500. This is total fixed cost. And total variable cost will be for each unit 12.50. You have to multiply into x unit. That means this will be 12.50 x. For x unit production, the total variable cost will 12.50 x. Therefore, total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable. This is the formula you have to memorize. So here total fixed cost is 6,500 plus total variable cost is 12.50 x. This is the cost function or total cost that they are asking to find. Next, total cost of producing 75 units. The second part question, for when x is equal to 75 unit, so what is the total cost? Therefore, total cost will be just to put here 6,500 is the total fixed cost plus variable cost is 12.50 into 75 units. Instead of x, you have to write 75. Now you multiply here 6,500 plus multiply how much coming? Now multiplying 12.50 into 75 units, this is the total variable cost. How much getting? 937.5 means 50%. Now total fixed cost plus variable cost, if you add, you will getting how much? Rupees 7,437.50%. This is the total cost for 75 units. Next you have to find out what is the average cost. First to find average cost equal to how much? Average cost is equal to that is the total cost by x. The total cost you got how much? That is cost function 6,500 plus 12.50 into x by x. This is the average cost. Means this will be 6,500 by x plus 12.50. This is the average cost. But the question they are asking to find average cost of producing 400 items. Therefore, average cost for producing 400 items. Therefore, average cost will be how much? 6,500 divided by 400 plus 12.50. The 20 cancel here. 65 by 4 you do. Then you add 12. 65 by 4 it is coming 16.25 plus 12.50. Therefore, average cost of producing 400 item is equal to 28.75%. This is the average cost of producing 400 items. I hope you are able to understand the process of solving question number 1, all the 3 parts. Let us solve the number 2 question. See the question number 2 exercise question. The cost function for a certain commodity is Cx given 12 plus 3x minus 1 by 3x square. Write down the total cost, fixed cost, variable cost and average cost when 3 units are produced. Very easy type question. First to copy what is the given cost function given. The number 2, first of all it is given Cx, the cost function given 12, 12 is the fixed cost, 12 plus 3x minus 1 by 3 x square. That means here clearly visible the 12 is what? This is the total fixed cost, and this part is total variable cost. Therefore total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost is x related sum. Okay, and you have to find out the first one, right? Total cost is equal to 12 is the fixed cost plus 3x minus 1 by 3 x square. This is total cost. Then you have to find out total fixed cost is 12. Total fixed cost is 12, no related to x. And total variable cost is how much? That is 3x minus 1 by 3 x square. After that, average cost. Average cost I will find. Average cost means total cost divided by x. The total cost you got how much? 12 plus 3x minus 1 by 3 x square whole divided by x. If you divide x, you will get what? 12 by x plus 3 minus 1 by 3 x square. This is the average cost. This is the average cost. Next, they are asking for average cost when 3 units are produced. If x is equal to 3, the total cost will be how much? If x is equal to 3, the total cost will be, just to see total cost, that is 12 plus 3x. 12 plus 3x. X means here 3 minus 1 by 3, 3 square. How much coming? 12 plus 3, 3 are 9. 1, 3 cancel. 3 square 9 means 3. 9 minus 3 is how much? 6. 12 plus 6, 18. The total cost is equal to 18. And next you have to find out average cost. Average cost equal to 12 by x means 12 by 3 plus 3 minus 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3x. 1 by 3x means here 3. How much coming? It will be 4 plus 3 minus 1. 7. 4 plus 3 7. 7 minus 1 6. That is the average cost. So average cost equal to 6 and total cost is equal to 18. This way question number 2 also completed. Let us go question number 3. See the question number 4 and only 3 left here. I will do after that. First to see the question number 4. The total cost of producing and marketing x units of commodity is given by C is equal to 2x plus 1 by 5 x square. This is average cost. Plus 5e. 5e is the constant, that is the fixed cost. Find the fixed cost, variable cost, total cost of producing 5 units, average cost of producing 5 units. Just see one by one. First of all, what is the cost function given? Question number 4. Number 4. The cost function given, Cx given 2x plus 1 by 5 x square plus 5e. Therefore, total cost is equal to, this is total variable cost plus total fixed cost. Therefore, total variable cost here 2x plus 1 by 5 x square, and total variable cost, this one, total fixed cost will be how much? Total fixed cost will be 5e. This is constant. But your question is total cost of producing 5 units. Therefore, if x is equal to 5, therefore total cost will be how much? The total cost will be 2 into x. X is what? 5 plus 1 by 5. This is 5 whole square plus 5e. 2 5 are 10. 1 5 cancel. 5 left plus 5e. Means 15 plus 5e. 15 plus 5 is the total cost. You can write rupees here. Next, you have to find out average cost of producing 5 units. Therefore, average cost will be total cost by x. The average cost is equal to total cost by x. Total cost equal to how much? Total cost, that is total cost is equal to 2x plus 1 by 5x square plus 5p divided by x. If you divide x, you will get how much? This will be 2 plus 1 by 5x plus 5p by x. If x is equal to 5 for 5 units, the average cost will be 2 plus 1 by 5, x is 5 plus 5e by 5. This coming 5 cancel. 2 plus 1 plus 5 cancel in. That means this is coming 3 plus e. This is the average cost for x unit producing 3 plus e. In this way, question number 4 also completed. Let us go next.